Okay, good morning students. We will continue the next section. Before that, let me ask you, could you be able to solve this problem? Yes, I can see that many of you have done, but a few students have not done the question. Anyway, if you have any doubt, I'll do the question for you. Y plus k, and I have given you the int r1 is changed as r1 plus r2 plus r3. That is y plus k plus y plus y. So y, which is 3y plus k. Next one in the same way. 3y plus k, 3y plus k. Next is y plus k, y plus k. Now, what do you see in this? The first row contains a common 3y plus k into determinant 1, 1, 1, y plus k, y plus k. So, in the answer part, this term you have obtained over here, and also the first row contains all the elements equal to 0. If the first row or the first column contains all the elements equal to 0, keep this as 1 itself. The other two you change it as 0. That is the point you have to remember. Keep the first one as 1 itself. Make the second a12 is equal to 0, a13 is equal to 0. So what is the property you are going to use of? C2 is changed as C2 minus C1. C3 is changed as C3 minus C1, which is 3y plus k into determinant 1 y. What about here? 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Y plus k minus y, k. Y minus y, 0. Next one, 1 minus 1, 0. Y minus y, 0. Y plus k minus y, which is equal to k, which is 3y plus k into 1 into determinant k 0 0 k minus 0 into determinant y 0 y k plus 0 into determinant y k y 0. That is 3y plus k into 1 into k squared minus 0 into a term plus 0 into another term. 1 into k squared minus 0. K squared minus 0 is k squared. 1 into k squared is k squared. So 3y plus k into k squared, and that is your RHS. I hope the section is clear to you. There are many questions. Still, if you have any doubt with any of the problems, do come and discuss with me. Now, next concept is, okay, you have studied about determinants. Now, what is the application of determinant? What is the application of determinant? Or where do you use determinant? One simple example is in geometry. That is, to find area of triangle with vertices x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. What is the application of determinant? To find the area of the triangle. Now let us consider a triangle. A triangle means three non-collinear points. What is collinear points? What is collinear points? Yes, the point should lie on the same line. Now three non-collinear points, that is the 3 points will not lie on the same line. Then you get a triangle. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Proof is not required. The formula is very important. What is the area is equal to? Area is equal to half into determinant x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. And you know how to get the value of the determinant. So when you evaluate this determinant, you get a value that multiplied by 1 by 2 gives you the area of the triangle. And if the 3 points are collinear, that means the 3 points lie on the same straight line, A, B, C. If they lie on the same straight line, triangle is not formed. Triangle is not formed means area of the triangle is equal to 0. So that also you have to keep in mind. Collinear points, 3 collinear points, area of a triangle is equal to 0. Now, this determinant value, you have seen that in the beginning of the class, this determinant value, the determinant value can be positive or negative. Sometimes you get a negative value, but you take the absolute value because determinant or area of a triangle is always equal to 0. Area of a triangle is always equal to 0. And area of a triangle is always positive. Next one is, if the area is given to you, you take the two values. You take the positive value as well as the negative value. To evaluate some x1, one of the vertices, you should take two values, positive value and the negative value. We will discuss some questions. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle with vertices 3, 8, minus 4, 2 and 5, 1. What is the area of the triangle? Since this question contains a formula, you have to write the formula because formula carries half a mark. So, what is area? Area is equal to half into determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1, which is equal to half into determinant. This is x1, y1, 3, 8, 1, x2, y2, minus 4, 2, 1, 5, 1, 1. If you are in confusion, you can write small letters x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. And you can substitute over here, which is equal to half into, it is a 3 by 3 determinant, 3 into determinant, eliminate the first row and the first column, 2, 1, 1, 1, minus, second element is negative, 8 into determinant, minus 4, 1, 5, 1, plus 1 into determinant, minus 4, 2, 5, 1, which is equal to half into 3 into 2 minus 1 minus 8 into minus 4 minus 5 plus 1 into minus 4 minus 10 equal to half into 3 into 1 minus 8 into minus 9 plus 1 into minus 14 half into 3 minus of minus plus 72 minus 14, that is equal to half into 72 plus 3 75, 75 minus 14 equal to 1 by 2 into 61, that is 61 by 2 square units, or which is equal to 30.5 square units. That will be the area of the triangle formed by the three vertices. So once again let us repeat. Area of the triangle with the three vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 is using determinants. The value is half into determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Suppose when you do the question, if you are getting a negative answer, area is always positive. Take the absolute value. If the 3 points are collinear, that means if the 3 points lie on the same line, the value of the determinant or area of the triangle formed by the 3 points is equal to 0. This is the application of determinant. Now we have to do some more questions based on this topic. Show that, take the next question. Show that the points A, the coordinates are A, B plus C, B, B, C plus A, C, C, A plus B are collinear. Show that the 3 points A, B, C are collinear. That means we have to show that the 3 points A, B, C, they lie on a straight line. If they lie on the straight line, collinear, what does it imply? It implies area of triangle is 0. Now, what is area of triangle? Area of triangle is equal to half into determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Now, in order to avoid confusion, we will write here x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, which is equal to half into determinant. What is x1? A, B plus C, 1, B, C plus A, 1, C, A plus B, 1. Okay. Now, you know that if you get the answer as area of the triangle is equal to 0, that means the 3 points are collinear. By making use of the property of determinants, it is very easy. First column, I am changing it as C1 changed to C1 plus C2 plus C3. First column is changed as C1 is C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2. That is half into determinant A plus B plus C. Here it will be B plus C plus A. Here it will be C plus A plus B. Next will be B plus C, C plus A plus B. 1, 1, 1. Now, here you can see that first column contains a common term A plus B plus C. That is half into A plus B plus C into determinant 1, 1, 1, B plus C, C plus A plus B, 1, 1, 1. Now, what about the value of this determinant? Yes, the value of the determinant is 0 because first column and second column, they are identical. First and the third column, they are identical. So, this will be 1 by 2 into A plus B plus C into 0, which is equal to 0. So, you have got area of the triangle is equal to 0. What does it imply? The 3 points A, B and C are collinear. The 3 points are collinear. I hope you understood it. So, once you have studied the properties of determinants, you can apply later on. Wherever you get a determinant, think, can you apply the property of determinant? Okay. Another question. Take down the question. Find the equation of the line joining. Find the equation of the line joining. Line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants. Find the equation of the line joining. So, it is a line. Line joining the points 1, 2 and 3, 6. Last year you have studied how to get the equation of the line. When 2 points are given, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So, in the same way, you have to get the equation of the line. They are specially specified it, making use of the determinants. So, let xy be any point on the line. Xy be any point on the line. You don't know, you are taking xy be any point on the line. That means the area of the triangle formed by ABC. Area of the triangle formed by ABC is equal to 0. Isn't it? Yes. What is the area of the triangle? Half into determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1 is equal to 0. You already know this area is equal to 0 because it is given. Find the equation of the line. So, area is equal to 0. That is half into determinant. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. This is x3, y3. 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 1, x, y, 1 equal to 0. 1 by 2 into determinant is equal to 0. So, when you multiply 1 by 2 to the RHS, it becomes 0. That is determinant 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 1, x, y, 1 is equal to 0. I hope you understood that step. 1 by 2 2 goes to the numerator, 2 into 0 is equal to 0. But you can expand it because it's a 3 by 3 determinant. 1 into determinant 6 1 y 1 minus 2 into determinant 3 1 x 1 plus 1 into determinant 3 6 x y is equal to 0, or this is equal to 1 into 6 minus y minus 2 into 3 minus x plus 1 into 3y minus 6x is equal to 0. 3y minus 6x is equal to 0. 1 into 6 minus y is 6 minus y minus, open the bracket, 2 3s are 6, minus into minus plus 2x plus 3y minus 6x is equal to 0. Plus 6 minus 6 cancel. 2x minus 6x is equal to minus 4x minus y plus 3y plus 2y is equal to 0, or 4x minus 2y is equal to 0, which means 2x minus y is equal to 0. This is the equation of a line. Equation of a line means it is a first degree equation in x and y. What is the form? Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. So you have got the equation of the line. So equation of the line passing through 2 points using determinants. You were able to do it because 3 points form a line means area of the triangle formed by them is equal to 0. Copy them. Okay, next one important question. If the area of the triangle is equal to 35 square units with vertices 2 minus 6 5 4 k 4, then find the value of k. Find the value of k. So here what is given? Area of the triangle is given. Area of the triangle is given to be 35 square units. So what is area of the triangle? Area of the triangle is equal to half into determinant x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. This is given to be equal to 35 square units. But here the important point is that the value of the determinant can be positive or negative. So as a note I have given you, sometimes you may get the area of the triangle as negative, but you are taking the positive value. Because of that, when area is given, you have to take both positive and negative value, because we don't know whether it was positive or negative. So when the area is given, you have to take positive and negative value. This 2, 1 by 2, it goes to the numerator. I am substituting the value with vertices 2, minus 6, 1. Again, no need of writing because you have got more practice. 5, 4, 1. K, 4, 1 is equal to plus or minus 70. First 2 goes to the numerator, which is 2 into determinant 4, 1, 4, 1 minus, what is the next one? Minus 6. Minus 6 into determinant 5, 1, K, 1 plus 1 into determinant 5, 1, K, 1 is equal to plus or minus 70. Or 2 into 4 minus 4, minus of minus, plus 6 into 5 minus K plus 1 into 5 minus K is equal to plus or minus 70. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 into 0 plus 6 into 5, 30 minus 6K plus 5 minus K equal to plus or minus 70. 30 plus, this is 0. 30 plus 5 is 35. Minus 6K minus K is equal to minus 7K is equal to plus or minus 70. 35 minus 7K is equal to plus or minus 70, or that is 35 minus 7K, it can be equal to 70, or 35 minus 7K, it can be equal to minus 70, plus or minus 70. It can be either positive or it can be negative. Minus 7K is equal to 70 minus 35. Minus 7K is equal to minus 35. K is equal to plus 35. K is equal to minus 5. Here it comes as minus 7K is equal to minus 70 minus 35. Minus 7K is equal to minus 105. K is equal to minus 105 divided by minus 7. That is equal to 7 ones are 7, 35, 7 5s are 35. So the value of K can be equal to minus 5 or 15. So if the area is given to you, take it as positive as well as negative. Both the values you have to take and then do the calculation. So what is the area of the triangle with vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3? Half into determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Area is always positive. If the 3 points are collinear, area is equal to 0. Now you can check in your textbook exercise 4.2. Some of the questions we have discussed here. The other questions are also similar. Do it as an assignment and submit it by the end of this week. Okay, thank you.